Hello friends, today I am going to unbox Netation Universal Mini Tripod Stand for digital camera and all mobile phone. I have brought it from Amazon.in. It is packed in thick polythene casing, and here you can see the barcode and the QR code. You can scan the QR code on your phone and can get total details about the product. And now I am cutting it open a little bit more and the product will be out. The MRP of the tripod is rupees 180 INR and it was delivered to me within a day. And here I am cutting it through a little bit more and the product will be out. And here it is almost done, and this is the product. It is also packed in polythene foam so that any damage to the product may not occur during seepage. And now I am taking it out. It is also sealed, and now I am cutting it a little bit more, and here this is the product. It is also packed in cardboard box, and this is the polythene foam, and here you can see the model number YT228, and it is very fantastic and very nice. And here it is also packed in cardboard casing. It has a item height of 18.5 centimeter, which is extendable up to 21 centimeter. The item weight is 145 grams and the packaging dimension is 27 into 6 into 4 centimeter. It is black in color. And now I am going to take out the tripod stand. Here I am opening it a little bit more, and here I have opened it, and this is the mobile phone mounting holder. It is black in color. It is very firm. And here I am taking out the tripod stand, and here this is the tripod stand. It is black in color, nothing more inside the box. Here I have kept it aside, and the legs. On the bottom side of the legs you can see the grips which provide the anti-slippery surface so that you can place them on any surface. And on this side you can see it is for the hand so that it can provide firm grip, and you can shoot any photo or you can make any vlogs. And here on the bottom side these are the legs, and on the legs you can see these are the serrations so that you can place them on any surface and they may not slip, and it provides a secure and stable platform for the camera and all mobile phones. And here I have placed it. This is the adjustable knob, and here I am pushing it, and this is the ball head. It has got a metallic ball head. The tripod stand has a 1/4 inch screw thread which ensures secure mounting of your device, while its ball head allows a 360-degree rotation up to 90-degree tilt. You have simply to adjust the right angle and in one smooth move, and simply turn and tighten and lock at the right angle and shoot. And this is the mobile phone holder. It is black in color. It is also very strong, and this is for the grip. You have to place your mobile, and here I am pulling it up, and here this is the tripod stand, and this is for the adjustment, and here you have to adjust. And now I am going to fix the mobile phone holder on the tripod stand. Here I am fixing it, and here I am rotating it, and here it is almost done. A little bit more, and here it is done. And here I have extended the legs. Here I have placed my mobile in the mobile phone holder, and now I am taking the picture. And here you can also take any picture or make any vlogs, and here you can have just to adjust the right angle and shoot, and you can adjust in different angles. It can be tilted up to 90-degree, and here these are the different angles. You have just to adjust it and then lock it, and you can make any vlogs, take pictures. And here I am turning it in different directions. The mini tripod stand from Netation keeps your device in place, and it is lightweight and it is very portable. It can be used easily and taken on the go and ready to use at any moment's notice. With the ability to be used in any environment, you can go unlimited by your creativity. Whether you go for travel, sports, family outings, it is a great companion and you can take it wherever required. And it is also very good. It is a great companion for your smartphone and GoPro device. You can capture the random action shots with ease and creativity. It is compact with most devices like smartphone, camera, DSLR and other things. It works great with selfie stick and most devices. It allows you to take steadier and sharper pictures and videos by avoiding vibration while holding the device. You can load up to 1 kg. You can fold it and use it as a handy tripod to click selfies, and it is very compatible with cameras and most other devices. You can use the tripod and position the small digital cameras, webcams, mobile phones on your desk for great video streaming and creating product demos and video blogging. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.